So I've had a full face of makeup on all day, and I'm going to use the Amazon makeup remover, and this is their wipes. I bought it in a pack of 2, and I do like that it's really nice and soft. This is what it looks like. This is how big it is, and I'm just going to show you. I'm going to wipe off half of my face just to show you how it looks, and it's quite moist. You can see I'm just wiping off half of my face to just show you that it does remove. Okay, so you can see compared, I've removed it, and I can even remove my eye makeup. I have mascara on and eyeliner. You can see how much of it has removed. It does a good job, and it's still moist. All gone.